Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all the cache and the junk files from your Brazilian PC or laptop here. So first of all, you just need to go to search bar and search for run here. Then open the run system. Then you need to type here 10 TEMP10 and click OK. And this window will pop up and you just need to select all the folder there. So just press Ctrl and Alt and A and then right click on it. And then here you can see there's option delete button, or you can choose the show more option and choose delete. And it will delete all temporary file from here. Then again, you need to go to the search bar and search for run here. Go to the run and you need to type here refetch. Then click OK. Video. Then you just need to again choose all the folder from here, then right click on it and just delete from folder. And you just need to choose this, do this for all guide items and click on skip. And some file will not delete. So just need to skip that and then proceed. Then for the last time, you just need to go to the search bar again and search for run here. Click on run system. And here you need to search for percentage TVMV10 and again percentage and click OK. And then again, you just need to choose all the folders from here and delete it. So these are all the folders that are guessed at the temporary find junk files that will restore again. So you just need to come at the folder and delete this folder again. And just click continue. And do this for all current items, click skip. And that's it. So some folder will not be deleted from here. So just need to keep it and cross it. So that's it guys. This is how you can delete all the temporary files, cache, and the junk files from your Brazilian PC or laptop here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.